Okay, here we are. Sirius is opening up right now. There is an update, but I am not going to do it for this test. Okay, so I am now looking at the screen of a Sirius. Then we see right here a little sign that says what it says there, reachability. Basically what that is doing right now is it's testing whether or not my computer is reachable from the internet. And okay, a series is opening right now. What is going to happen is that a series is going to start to try to download something from the internet. Right here we see where my finger is, there is something called NAT, and it cannot be seen here for some reason. Right there is a green dot, and right next to it there is a white dot that cannot be read for some reason. It's kind of hard to read, the screen is too bright. And what that button is doing, basically it's not a button, it's something that it's a label. And what it will tell me there is that, for example, right now it's saying firewall / NAT reachability status is unknown. Basically what's gonna happen right now is it's gonna try to access my computer from the internet through a port, and it is saying that the reachability is okay. Now, how is this done? I'm going to show you how it is done. Basically, you have to access your own gateway. In my case, I have Comcast. Basically, I have to access on my browser. I have to put right here where you normally type an address. I have to type my gateway internal IP address. And what I do is, for example, in this case, I'm going to show you from the main. What I do is I go to gateway summary. This may vary depending on the kind of router that you have. Basically, we go into network settings, and we have to look at our settings. If I click, for example, on connected computers, I see there are 4 computers connected right now. The one that we're working on right now is this one, the one that I'm highlighting, which is the second one from the top down. I realized the internal IP address for that computer. What happens then? I go to port configuration. What I see is I see rules for port configuration for ports. What I say is I say a port range and I specify from 1 to 10, for example. In this case, I'm going to select 3 different ports. I'm going to select 6881 to 6881, and I say that this is both. You may select TCP or UDP, and you have to select the IP address that you want for this specific port rule to apply to. Then you will click on enable. In this case, I'm going to select the other two, and by doing this and clicking on apply, you basically just told your router to allow anything that is coming through this ports as specified to my IP address specified, which in this case is the computer that we're looking at right now, and basically just forward the information through. And by doing this, I get a green NAT reachability when trying to download something from Azurius. And that would be it in terms of port forwarding. Thank you.